MagSafe charger for the Macan Electric. This is a very easy install. First thing you can do is just open up this cubby. Then we're going to take the USB cable and get it down to some power. Porsche put a little tunnel here, so you just take the cable and push it through the tunnel. You'll need about 6 inches or so. Grab it down below, put it in the USB port, and then we're going to take this excess wire and just stow it in the compartment. And on our unit, you'll see 3 nubs across the front and then 2 nubs in the back corners. So first, we're going to take those 3 nubs across the front and just rest them against the door, which is already open. And now we're going to grab it by the MagSafe charger and push that door in even more. And you can see now it's starting to line up a little bit better. And then take these 2 corners and just push them in, and you'll hear them snap in. And just give it a little wiggle, make sure it's all good, and you are installed. All your controls here are still accessible, readable, and the uninstall is just as easy. You just grab it by the MagSafe charger, and you're going to push it to one side, and I usually go toward the driver's side, so just push it over. You can see this gap open up, and now you can just kind of easily wiggle it out, and you're uninstalled.